This is the Dipole Moment Interactive Calculator, which solves for dipole moment, charge, separation distance, electric fields, and torque in dipole systems. The calculator has 6 input fields and a drop-down menu for calculation mode. The drop-down offers 6 options: calculate dipole moment, calculate charge, calculate separation distance, calculate axial electric field, calculate equatorial electric field, and calculate torque in external field. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Dipole Moment. The input fields are charge Q, separation distance D, dipole moment P, distance from dipole R, external electric field E, and angle theta. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for charge Q in coulombs, 10 for separation distance D in meters, and also enter 10 in the remaining fields for completeness. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 1/1000 E plus 2 coulomb meters. The status confirms dipole moment calculated. The calculator also provides the result in dBi units as 2.99979 E plus 31 D and displays the charge magnitude as 1.000 E plus 1 coulombs and separation as 1.000 E plus 1 meters. This calculator streamlines dipole moment calculations for electrical engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.